Hello. Ethan, I've been working on your mini bike. I got the Predator running, but man, that's more than twice the power of this motor. Not sure if you're ready for that, but on this one, I checked the plug, I gapped the plug, I cleaned the plug. Gas tank was no good, threw it away. The muffler was clogged with a bunch of crap, carbon, threw it away. Got a new header pipe with a little silencer on the end there, and new gas tank, new fuel lines, new fuel filter, new carburetor, but it still wasn't that expensive. And I put a little scratch mark right here that says to make it run, you push the top one that direction to make it run. I'm having a little problem with the throttle. It's real janky. I got to work on the throttle cable. It's a new cable because the old one was frozen shut, rusted. But I'll get it fixed in a little bit. But listen to this. One pull. Also oiled the chain. It was all rusty. I don't think this thing ever got an oil change. You're supposed to do that right after you break it in. So I'm going to change the oil. And the seat's off of it right now. But I want to move the seat back about 3 inches. And I want to move the foot pegs forward about 3 inches. And that'll, I think, make it more comfortable for you. And then we can ride a little bit. So I'm getting close. And that's it. See you.